Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lupita Aguilar and today I'm gonna be filming this blue eyeshadow look. It's like a blue purpley. Anyway, I'll be doing this makeup tutorial with my new Carnival palette, and this is what it looks like. I'll be telling you guys if I like it or not, but definitely keep on watching to learn how to do this shadow. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Que te trata bien, que se le acabó el contrato. These days is over, these lies are done. That you is tired, what he did wrong. These games is over, these lies are done. That you is tired, what he did wrong. Baby, all you wanna do is play games. Baby, me and you gotta get away.
Okay, so to start off, I'm gonna go in with like a light coffee color. Well, it's not a light coffee color, but it's the color I like my coffee, which is like pura leche. Anyway, this is like a light taupe color. And I'm just gonna be using this shade as my transition color. I'll be bringing it up almost as high as my brow bone. Okay, so the next shade I'll be going in with is going to be a very bright purple, and I'm just going to apply this all over the crease. And I also really just want to warn you guys, be careful when purchasing palettes. Be sure to read every ingredient that contains in the eyeshadow palette. A lot of these eyeshadow palettes that have bright colors contain remains of beetles from South Africa. I didn't do my part in reading the ingredients on this eyeshadow palette, and although I do absolutely love the eyeshadow palette in every single color, I had a very bad allergic reaction the next day, and so I'm just here to tell you guys to make sure you guys read the ingredients. It's very unlikely for people to have an allergic reaction to carmine, which is red dye, but some of us do, so be careful. And so unfortunately, this will probably be the last time I wear purples and blues. Okay, so back to my tutorial. For this bright purple, I'm gonna be bringing it up as high as I did the light taupe. I just really wanted to stand out and show. I'm gonna be going in with a brush that doesn't have any product at all to blend out both colors, which was the light taupe and the bright purple. So I'm gonna go back in with that same bright purple and just apply a little bit more product because I want it to look very bright and just pop. Next shade I'll be going in with is very similar to like a Prussian blue, and I'm also going to be applying this blue all over the crease and also all over the lid. And to blend out the colors, I'm going to be doing circular motions as well as windshield wiper motions.
So dile a él que ya tienes otro que te trata bien, que se le acabó el contrato. These days is over, these lies are done, that you is tired.
Feel free to add as much extra product as you like, just to really build up that color. I added a little bit more of the blue onto my crease because my intention was for the eyeshadow to be blue, but it turned out looking purple. No salgas de aquí y él sí se vaya a divertir. Y no quiero más, que él te trate mal,
Déjame enseñar lo que es disfrutar. These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong. These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with the purple color and apply it all over the lid so that the blue could look a lot more intense.
Y yo no puedo ni imaginar que él tenga el valor de tratarte mal al mirarte llena de lágrimas.
Okay, and so then I'm gonna reapply the blue all over the lid and just pack it on.
Se trata con dulzura y como una estrella y él solo se aprovecha. Te tiene como esclava y sirvienta. Eso no es amor. Te quiero, mi amor. Quiero estar contigo debajo de mi abrigo. Dame una oportunidad. So dile a él que ya tienes otro que te trata bien, que se le acabó el contrato. These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong. These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong. Baby, all you wanna do is play games. Baby, me and you gotta get away. Baby, you gon' see why you gon' be my wife. Let's go. Let's have a better life. Together and forever, just you and I. With no lies, no drama, no fight. We leave that behind us. I ain't the same. I know the skies are bad fame.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding black onto the outer corners of the crease to intensify the look. I'm using a pencil brush to apply the black shadow. This brush I like because it is very small and so it's very precise when applying. Next, I'm going to be blending it out with a very fluffy brush.
These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong. Y yo no quiero que sigas así, que él te esté engañando a ti y que él te diga no salgas de aquí y él sí se vaya a divertir. Y no quiero más, que él te trate mal.
Next, I'm going to be applying a true blue glitter onto the eyelids. At first, I'm going to be using my finger to apply it, but then I'm going to go back in with a brush to apply the rest of the eyeshadow.
These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired. What he did wrong.
Okay, so now that I finished applying my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with every single eyeshadow that I use and apply it on the lash line. First, I'm gonna be applying the bright purple color. After applying each shade, make sure you buff it out with a fluffy brush just to really make it look like a smoky eye. I'm gonna go back in with that Prussian blue and apply it on top of the purple shadow.
Quiero estar contigo debajo de mi abrigo. Dame una oportunidad. So dile a él que ya tienes otro que te trata bien, que se le acabó el contrato. These games is over. These lies are done. That you is tired.
I like applying black pencil liner on my waterline to make the look more dramatic. The last shade I'll be going in with on the lash line will be the true blue glitter, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the middle of my lash line. When I'm all done applying my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be removing my translucent powder and also applying my falsies and my lipstick.
Just you and I, with no lies, no drama, no fight. We leave that behind us. I ain't the same. I know the skies are bad fame. And my plan is to have you, and you know what you gotta do. So dile a él.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
Qué chula te ves, siempre.
Pálida, pálida, bien fea.
Todavía no acabo.